In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Clickup inbox notifications efficiently, all within just 5 minutes. We'll cover everything from accessing the Clickup website to managing your inbox notifications, ensuring you can keep your workflow streamlined and organized. Let's dive in and master this powerful tool. First, let's head over to the Clickup website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the Clickup web address or simply search for Clickup. Once you're on their homepage, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the option to log in. Click on that and it will direct you to the login page. Clickup makes it convenient to log in by offering several sign-in options. For ease, we're going to continue with Google. Click the Continue with Google button, select your account, and you'll be swiftly logged into your Clickup workspace. Now that we're inside Clickup, it's time to access our inbox. On the left panel of the interface, you'll find a range of options. Look for the Inbox tab and click on it. Your inbox is the heart of your Clickup notifications, where all updates, mentions, and comments from your tasks congregate. This central hub allows you to stay updated without having to jump between different tasks constantly. Suppose you want to streamline these notifications to suit your specific needs. In that case, head over to your profile, which is located at the top right of your screen. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, navigate towards Settings. Inside the Settings menu, you'll discover various options that allow you to customize your Clickup experience significantly. Find the Notifications tab within the settings. Click on it, and you'll be introduced to a world of options that enable you to manage each aspect of your inbox notifications. Here, you can tailor the notifications to be quite specific. Whether you want to receive alerts for every single change in a task or just when someone mentions you in a comment, it's entirely up to you. Managing notifications effectively means you won't miss critical updates, yet won't be overwhelmed by a stream of needless alerts. Customize them as per your needs by checking or unchecking the various options presented. This way, you ensure that your focus remains intact on what truly requires your attention. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've not just learned how to access and manage your Clickup inbox notifications, but also customize them to perfectly fit your work routine. It's this kind of organization that keeps your productivity high and distractions low. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made managing your Clickup inbox a breeze. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on optimizing your workflow.